Good day all. Welcome. My name is Mbono Watson. You can learn mobile app development right from the comfort of your home. So kindly go to www.nidalearn.com and over here you will see the course AdMob Masterclass. AdMob Masterclass. This is the step-by-step video course and ebook, likewise app development resources that you need to learn, master, start practicing, and start developing mobile app. Apply for AdMob account and you're good to go. Okay, so the course is available live at nidalearn.com for the price of 3,200 naira, okay, Nigeria currency. Okay, so that is how easy it is to learn how to develop mobile application. Apply for AdMob, list your AdMob on your app, get published, drive traffic to your account, and you're good to go. You will make money consistently, passive income. Okay, there are thousands of niches you can model. Okay, so developing mobile app with AdMob is a video course. You don't need to know how to code, you don't need any programming knowledge. Okay, it is simple CMS, content management system, drag and drop, copy and paste, and you are good to go. Okay, so get access to the AdMob Masterclass. You can download it after the payment of just 3,200 naira. Okay, it comes in what? Video practical training. It also has an ebook version. You can watch the video, read the book. If you're not good in watching video, you can just read the ebook step by step and you are good to go with resources. And even with over 1,000 niche-based app you can model, such as you can develop game app, you can develop aptitude tests. You might decide to develop aptitude tests for Lagos State University, University of Nsukka, which is University of Nigeria, etc. Okay, you can think outside the box. Yes, it requires you being smart. It requires you being creative. Okay, so you can develop any mobile application of your choice on any niche. No coding involved. Okay, no programming language. Okay, for those of you who want to learn, who want to go into coding, you can use this as a start. The more you earn money, the more you invest in your programming career. Okay, so get an AdMob Master account after you must have created a mobile app. Okay, so once you get it, insert your app code, AdMob code onto it. After publishing it, drive traffic to it, you're good to go. That is how simple it is. Okay, so mobile app reskinning. Now, what do I mean by reskinning? Yes, there are now billions of mobile apps. In fact, it's being saturated, but thank God Google is still friendly with them. Okay, so there are billions of mobile apps out there on App Store. You can go to most of those App Store, learn about them. You can even, there are people selling mobile app source code. There are people selling mobile app. You can buy from them, they reskin it by changing the color, the font, the template, the pictures, the videos, etc., depending on the model of app, depending on the niche of app. Okay, reskinning of app is still working 100%, and when you're done, you are good to go. You can publish it on App Store. You are good to go. Okay, so we have added over 1,000 plus niche-based app. Okay, niche-based means idea, type of app you can create. You're good to go. You can create informative app, motivational app, game app, quiz app, aptitude test app, blog app, health, entertainment, etc. Yes, you can achieve such with AdMob Masterclass with this class. Okay, you can achieve such. Okay, all you need to do is to come here. Payment system is here. You can make payment to the GT Bank and the soft. Okay, you can see it here. And after payment, just give us less than 5 minutes. Okay, and you're good to go. Or best, you can just WhatsApp our WhatsApp number or give us a call or SMS letting us know that you have made the payment for the AdMob Master class. I hope you're good to go. So it's my gift to you. Those of you that want quick money, though there's no quick money on the internet, you still need to do the work. You need to watch the video, you need to understand it, you need to come up with an idea, you need to look for resources, okay, develop your app, publish on Play Store, get AdMob account, drive quality traffic to it, you are good to go. Okay, it all starts by you getting access to the course. Okay, visit 999.com. The course is available there. I remain my humble self, Mbono Waxing. You're getting this video courtesy of 999.com NL Softs. Thanks and bye for now.